Hi friends, let's start with the GK session. Where is the Sun Temple located? Answer is Konark, Odisha. Which city is known as the Pink City of India? Answer is Jaipur. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. He was a Britisher. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi return to India from South Africa? Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in 1915. That day was celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. When was Pravasi Bharatiya Divas celebrated? Answer is 9th January. Who was the first Governor General of India? Answer is C. Rajagopalachari. His full name is Chakravarti Rajagopalachari and nicknames are Rajaji and CR. Who was or were the first recipient of the highest civilian award in India? Three persons were jointly to get the first recipient of the highest civilian award in India. Answer is C. Rajagopalachari, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and Dr. C.V. Raman, who gave the slogan "Do or Die" during the Quit India movement. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. In which year did the first war of Indian independence, Sipai Mutiny, break out? Answer is 1857. The famous Battle of Kalinga was fought by which emperor? Answer is Emperor Ashoka. Thanks for watching this video.